Alright, what's going on? Let's get this show rolling. Putting together the pillion rear cowl for the Zx10r. I already put the two little dampers in here and here. Next we're gonna put this piece on here. Should be able to see a little bit of metal here, a little bit here. Got 3 of these with a bolt side on the bottom. These gloves don't fit very well. I'm gonna put those there. There. One here. Okay, for this little piece here, I got a little leather protector, vinyl protector for the car. I'll wipe that down good and get all the pieces looking good, shiny and new. I'll put a little bit on here just as a little lubrication to push this through to the other side, right? This is what I'm doing during the eclipse. Now, next step. Let's go ahead and push this through. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? Make sure all the little pieces get through all the way. Don't want to be losing this, right? Alright, that took a little tugging, but we got all of those in there properly. Now, I believe put the metal part up with these. Like that. Like that. And then the 3 bolts. And that should be it. Get these started off camera here. I had to listen to our neighbor over there. Thanks for that. The old neighbor is one of the stare directly into the sun type of guys. Get that tighten, these 3 tightened down. Alright, let me go get the key and we'll try her on. Let's test her out now. Alright, let's try her out. I think, nice match. Done. What do y'all think? I kind of wish that would have been white or blue. That's what Kawasaki made us. And she looks alright, huh? Alright, thanks for watching, guys. About to move on to the old tail tidy. See ya.